it's going up here. I think it's going down there.
I know. I keep feeling this. Hell yeah. There you go.
I can't let it out.
I know it.
You've seen me. I almost threw up on that one. Did you hear it? It goes meow.
Ooh, that was bass.
You heard me in the woods that time.
Yeah, but we ain't got no drink.
I mean, I just chugged a Dr. Pepper and I was like,
Here, look, I guess. Oh! It did. Dude, it really did get in my mouth. The trailer skeeted on my face.
dude, that hurts like so bad. Quick! Oh my goodness! Oh! Just live your life.
Oh, she got it. Oh, she's in it now.
She got it. Oh, she got it. Shawty!
And she beat me
Amber
up!
fisting!
Amber hit me!
She can't get what's in crap. Basically.
Okay, the camera's off of you.
Yeah, I doubt
Oh,
that.
check this out. Check this out. There's a game that we play at school. If you burp, you have to hit your forehead, VH yourself, and name a color. Last one, do it has to make a 3 second sick sound.
You're just supposed to say color. Just be like,
Oh, we do the hit your head.
why would I want to hit my own?
Blue. Blue.
I'm not playing.
Everybody says color. Ready? Blue.
Red.
Pink.
You guys start making 3 second sick.
I'm mooning the camera. See my ass?
Wait, I'm...
Come on, oh no, you can't.
When Matt was, yeah. She comes.
Stop!
It could be worse. Hey. You beat me.
But I done already had that today. If you get it too, it hurts. My suggestion, just lay down.
Okay, it's down.
Lean down.
Hey, what are you reaching for?
Girl, fucking stop. I'm fucking playing with you.
You said Brooke.
But her middle name's Brooke, Megan Brooke.
Yeah.
Tell her to get the dang PSP.
Something. I don't even know her fucking
What?
last name. Watts, that's it, damn it. I gotta think of it. Feel it is like.
Hey, what are you reaching for?
Girl, fucking stop. I'm fucking playing with you.